Hello students, welcome to Learners University. I'm Rupalkar Anand and in today's video we will discuss a very interesting story. The name of the story is White Wing. That is the story of the tale of doves and the hunter. In this story we will see how togetherness works or how unity can help us defeat any obstacle in front of us. So let's move on to the story. One day, long ago in India, a hunter came to a big tree. This tree was so big that its branches turned back down and went into the ground again. Then new baby trees would grow up from these very spots. Have you ever seen such thing? Trees that do that are called banyan tree. So what is a banyan tree? It's a very big tree whose branches are in the ground, and from that branches another tree is grown. These trees are known as banyan tree. So the author is saying that the tree was very big or huge, that its branches were in the ground, and from that another trees were grown. Let's see what happened next. Oh, said the hunter when he saw that big banyan tree. That looks just right for my net. So the hunter wants to spread the net on the tree. I will catch a lot of birds today. The hunter threw his net over the tree. The strings in the net sank down into the branches. You could not see the net any more. Then the clever hunter put the grains of rice all over the leaves. The grains of rice were easy to see even from far away. First, he set the net on the tree, but the tree was so huge and dense that all his strings of the net was like this is how net looks like. The strings of the nest was stuck into the tree and sank down to its branches, and you couldn't see the net anymore. So it was very tough. So he had another plan. He said, I will put rice on each leaf of the tree so that it attracts the birds. The rice is white and you can see it from very far away. This was a nice trick of that hunter. So he put rice on each leaf of the tree as a trap to attract birds so that he can catch them. Let's see what happened next. Just then, White Wing, who's the White Wing? The king of doves, was flying overhead, was flying from above the tree, was flying from the tree with all his doves flying behind him. He said that banyan tree, he saw that banyan tree below. Wow, said the white wing, spinning around. This must be a lucky day. What was on that banyan tree? There were rice on every leaf, and the doves were hungry. So they thought that they can eat all that rice, and that must be their lucky day. Look at all the rice on the tree. White Wing flew down to the banyan tree. The head of the doves came down to the banyan tree. The doves spun around with him, and the other doves followed their leader. But oh no, as soon as they all landed on the tree, Each one was trapped in the net. And who set that trap? The hunter. Let's see what happened next. Someone was glad to see this. Glad to see what? That the doves were trapped in the net. The trap was the rice on the leaves set by the hunter. So who would be happy? Well, well, said the hunter. Look at all these doves. I will have myself a fine dinner. Here it means fine dinner, it means that he is going to kill all the doves and kill them and cook them as a meal and gonna eat it in the dinner. Gross sometimes. Seeing him, the doves cried out, "It is over for us." They were very sad because now they know they all are going to die. Wait, wait. Now the head of the group, White Wing, said, "Wait, wait. There is a way us to get free, but we must act together." "What can we do?" cried a dove. A dove said, "What can we do? The hunter is almost here. Alone, none of us can lift this net because they are very small. So, one dove cannot was not be able to lift the net off. But if they come together, would they be able to lift the net? Yes. It's too big and heavy." We know," cried all the other doves. "But if we all fly up together at the same time, together," said the White Wing, "we can lift this net. We will fly it to the city, past 3 woods. I know a mouse who lives there. He is a dear friend, and I am sure he will help free us by chewing through the net." He said that even if we are trapped in that net, we can still fly off together and can lift the net. And then I know a mouse who lived 3 woods away. That means he lived little close to that place, and he can help, that mouse can help those doves to chew or to eat that net. So he was the friend of the White Wing, head of the doves. So this would make them able to escape the net, right? Let's see what happened next. So the birds will be free. "We will fly to the city past 3." I have read this, I know. "He would help us free us by chewing through the net." Let's read what happened next. "Look at the hunter," cried a dove. Everyone yelled White Wing. The White Wing said, "Everyone together! Now at once, together at a single time, all of us should fly upward so that the net could be lifted away." All the doves flew up together. They lifted the net right up out of the banyan tree. The net could not believe his eye. The hunter could not believe his eyes. All the birds he was going to have at dinner were flying up high into the sky, and they were taking his net with them. White Wing and the doves flew with the net over the woods and to the city. There White Wing found his friend the mouse, and the mouse freed them by chewing their net, one and all. So this is the end of the story. So the moral of the story is, if we want to get away from the obstacle or past the obstacle, we must believe in unity and act together. So, this is the moral of the story, and we have read a beautiful story. Do you find it beautiful? If yes, tell me in the comment section. And if you want more stories, do tell me what kind of stories you like to read or listen to. And I will also upload some beautiful poems composed by me or some good writers. So for now, thank you and please like and subscribe Learners University. And don't forget to share it with your friends. Thank you and have a nice day.